Mga Dabarcats to sing the theme from her movie, In Your Eyes. Let's give it up for Ann Curtis and Claudine Barreto.
Don't you know that love's just like a thread that keeps unraveling, but then it ties us back together in the end. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I'm alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I've finally learned to love you more. Right there! You told me that life changes, but no one really knows when the time would make us strangers, or when the time would make us grow. And even though the winds of time will change, in a world where nothing stays the same, through it all, our love will still remain. In your eyes, I can see my dreams' reflections. In your eyes, found the answers to my questions. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I'm alive. In your eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I finally learned to love you more. In your eyes, I can see the reasons why I'm alive. You and eyes, we're drifting safely back to shore, and I think I've finally learned to love you
Ladies and gentlemen, the stars will be in your eyes. Ann Curtis and Miss Claudine Barreto.
Hello!
Yun o, ang kaganda ng mga bisita o.
Welcome sa Kapuso, Ann! I know! Magandang hapon. Hi, Tia.
Hello,
This is for you.
everyone.
Thank you so
This is for you.
Thank you.
And welcome to Eat Bulaga.
Thank you so
Yes.
much. Magandang hapon no, sa inyo lahat, mga Kapuso. At maraming salamat nandito kayo ngayon. Thank you for having us, especially Ann.
Yes, hello. Maraming salamat for having us here. It's been a long time.
Yeah, yan ang sinasabi ko, si Ann hindi na stranger dito. Kung hindi ako nagkakamali, Ann, ito yung first hosting job mo, di ba?
Oo.
Naging
ito
Diva
mga-
Teen Barkada sila nung araw.
Tsaka mga dance-dance.
Correct!
Oo, dito.
Halos every week, andi dito.
Welcome back, Ann. Can you tell us a little bit about this movie, Claudine, and give us a bit of a background about it.
Well, our roles here kasi we play sisters. And then, meron kaming meron kaming dream. Hindi American dream, pero kung dito tumira sa Amerika. Tapos, nung dumating na kami sa Amerika, doon natin makikita kung gaano kalalim yung pagmamahal natin para sa kapatid natin, sa kaibigan natin, at sa mga mahal natin.
Yes. Tsaka dito makikita kasi kung paano magmahal. It doesn't matter kung ano ba, kung kayo, kung hindi. Basta walang mali.
Yes.
Basta
Unconditional.
nagmahal. Yes, tama.
Oo.
And how is it working with Claudine? Dream mo raw makasama si Claudine.
Yes.
Tapos eto ngayon, magkapatid kayo.
Tama. Ito nga yung, after so long, it's always been my dream to work with her. And finally, binigyan ako ng chance. So I'm so happy na finally it's happening for me. So, ayun. Maraming salamat.
Ako rin naman, super talaga akong matagal ko na talagang gusto makatrabaho si Anne. Lahat ng Claudinians favorite si Anne. Super fan ako ni Anne rin. Sobra talaga. So talagang, ito, magpupurihan lang
So
tayo the
parang
whole
kayo
time.
nag-ultimate bonding experience
Oh, yes.
while shooting this movie.
Oo. Kahit na in the beginning, super akong kinakabahan.
Kinakabahan
Oo,
siya.
pero after ng shooting namin sa napakasosyal na States, ayun, super nakapag-bond naman kami. And
Konting intriga lang.
mga fanatics, thank you for coming.
May konting intriga lang akong dalawa sa inyo.
Ayan, Claudinians.
Since from the trailer alone, we can tell na acting piece ito. Eh, pareho kayong best actress. Hindi ba lagi kayong on guard sa acting ng isa?
Actually, even kaming dalawa ni Richard, we made sure na we were on our toes talaga. Kasi syempre, isang Claudine Barreto yan, hindi pwede mapahiya, di ba? So talagang game na game kami. And super
And vice versa, Claudine?
Sobra naman ako na-overjoy at na-overwhelmed. Pero sinasabi ko naman talaga na si Anne's a very, very good actress. And kaya ako talaga siya gusto makatrabaho mula noon. And para sa akin, and sinasabi ko sa kanila, this is also a dream come true sa akin. I mean, for me to do a comeback movie after 5 years, tapos si Anne pa, mga kasama ko, na best actress nga, diba? Tapos meron daw akong si Richard Gutierrez naman na syempre ang ultimate dream leading man ngayon talaga na lahat. Eh napakagaling rin umate, bonus na sobra-sobra
Hindi rin
na.
nagpahuli si Richard,
Oo,
Dito
revelation.
nakikita, different side
Revelation.
naman of chart. Talaga
Revelation
Ah,
siya
nood
talaga.
na tayo!
And of course,
Malapit na!
Alam niyo ba, nung Webes pa lang niyayayan ako, manood na tayo. Ano ka ba? Next week pa yan?
itong linggo na, pero itong linggo na yung premiere night namin. So invite namin kayong lahat na sana panoorin nyo at supportan nyo kami ni Chard at saka ni Anne.
For sure!
Yes.
At bukod dyan, kasama nyo rin other great actors
Of
like
course.
Joel Torre, Maricar de Mesa, Leandro Munoz, and Raymond Lauchenko, Ray PJ Abellana.
Ang dami pa.
Marami pa.
So August 18 na po, this is under GMA Films and Viva Films, directed by the one and only
Direct Ma Alejandro.
Yun
This
nga,
is written by
Megamall Cinema
Keiko
9.
Aquino. So, sa lahat-lahat ng mga fans ni Chard, sa lahat ng fans ni Anne, sa lahat ng Claudinias, please, on Sunday, be there. We need your support. And sana talaga, we love you too, Anne.
Yes, and
Itong hindi ko carry na
Love you too,
international
guys.
screenings.
yes, meron tayo sa August 22 sa Hollywood Megaplex, Gasometer, Vienna, Austria, and August 27 to September 9 at Scarborough Town Centre, Ontario, Canada.
Oo, September 10 to September 23, Empire Theatre Square at
Mississauga,
Ontario,
Ako rin, nahihirapan ako dyan eh.
Canada.
September 12, Sinistar Cinema, Bear City
Dami.
Center in Dubai, UAE.
Yes.
Yun!
Sobrang social.
You're going to be all over the world, in other words.
Yeah. Ang gusto lang talaga ni Anne, kanina nag-uusap kami, a few days ago, and Shard, is that hindi ho masasayang ang pera ninyo.
Yan.
Oo, sa hirap ng buhay ngayon, hindi ho masasayang ang pera na sulat at
Sobrang pinaghirapan.
bonus talaga.
Thank you, Claudine. Thank you, Anne.
Love you,
so
Anne.
much.
you.
Talaga.
I
Huwag
love
mo
you,
na kayong
Claudinian.
aalis ha, dahil kayo'y maglalaro sa Pinoy Henyo.
Ang cast ng Jejemom at ng Mama Ratsi sa pagbalik yan ng Eat Bulaga!